Hello guys, now I will tell you how we can use the public transport in Malta without confusions. Here you can see there is one bus stop. The name is Moro, and the other side also there is one bus stop. The name is same Moro. So when I came to Malta first time, I was very confused that which bus stop I have to go. The bus numbers also same here and the other side. So now I'm going to tell you how we can choose the bus stop, which one exactly we need to go. I want to go Slima, okay, Slima Ferris. So here you can see the bus numbers. Moro, the bus stop I am here. So the buses, which buses I can choose, 72, 73. These are all buses I can travel with. So let me tell you how we can go to the exactly bus stop we want, the other side one or this one. I'll tell you how. After opening this, you can see here, you can see Valletta. Okay, so here Valletta. Okay, here you can see after the bus number there is written Valletta. And if we observe here, the bus number 72 also here, but that there is not Valletta. The bus number is 72 and it's going Curendi something. Okay, let's go other side. So now I am going to other side of the bus stop. I'll show you. See, there is one bus stop. The other side bus stop is there. I was here before. Let's go. I reached the bus stop. You can see Moro, and the bus numbers also same. So what is the difference between the other bus stop here is, you can see there is also 72, but the down Valletta. The other side there was other bus stop. So this is how we can go exactly bus stop. You need to observe when you are traveling. After the bus number 72, there is Valletta written, right? So this is what we need to observe. There is Valletta after 72, so you need to find the Valletta written by after the bus number on the board also in the bus stop. So you will not miss the bus. You will not go the other routes. When I came to Malta first time, I was like very confused. The bus stop also like in front of each other, and the bus numbers also same. I was crazy. I was traveling half day, whole the Malta. Now the bus is coming. Here I need to go Bombi. So after Bombi I need to catch other bus. There is a display. You can see now where we are. What is the next stop? Everything is there. It's going Valletta. The bus number is 80. Sorry. The next stop is. So I just came to Bombi. I'll show you. You can see the bus stop is Bombi 2, but I have to go Bombi 4. I need to find Bombi 4. There is Bombi 4. From there I can catch the buses, which one I want exactly. This is how we can use the public transport here in Malta without confusions.